Greetings to one and all present here. I am Arjun Vicky, here to present a paper on perception of youth on digital library. Rapid advancement in the field of technology has enabled a shift in traditional libraries into digital libraries. Digital libraries serve as a database accessible despite the geographical location, thus leading to universal access, thereby gaining grounds in the recent times. According to the Office of National Statistics (UK), people between the age of 25 and 45 visit the library more than other age groups. The young generation is no longer interested in visiting the physical libraries as information is readily available on their fingertips. The study aims at identifying how the younger generation in Ernakulam district of Kerala perceive digital library and to examine the varying factors that affect the use of digital library among youth. Significance: the young generation is no longer interested in visiting the physical library as every information is available on the fingertip. This behavior of youth is to be studied to have an understanding about the perception of youth on digitalization of libraries. Objectives: to determine the awareness among youth on available digital library facilities, to study the perception of youth towards digital library, and to examine the factors affecting the use of digital library among youth. Statement of the problem: digital libraries provide us with a wide range of information in electronic format. However, it is yet to identify whether people are fully aware of these facilities and what are their viewpoints on the same, especially among youth. So, the study is conducted to know the perception of youth in Ernakulam district towards digital library. Research methodology: primary data was collected from 60 respondents who came under the category of youth from Ernakulam district of Kerala with the help of a questionnaire. Secondary data was collected from various published sources. Convenient sampling was adopted for acquiring data. Tools for analysis: for the analysis, tools such as tables, percentages and averages were used. Moving on to data analysis. Number of digital library users. It is clear that 57% of the respondents do not use digital library facilities and the others do. Awareness on digital library. Majority of the respondents was aware on digital library through their teachers, 23% through their friends, followed by 17% respondents through their other sources. Awareness level on various digital library facilities. Majority of the respondents, that is youth, are not aware on the digital library facilities and only 47% are aware. Frequency of visiting digital library by youth. Majority of the youth visit digital library once in a month. 27% of the respondents daily visit a digital library. 15% of the respondents visit digital library once in a week. Easiness of finding materials from digital library. Majority of the respondent, that is youth, has a neutral perception towards easiness of finding materials from digital library and none of them think that it is very difficult. Easiness of finding information through search engines like Google. It is clear that majority of the youth have a perception that finding information through search engines like Google is very easy and none of them feels that it is very difficult, and 33% feels that it is easy and 22% as neutral. Usage of public library by youth. Majority of the youth visit a public library. Sometimes 38% of the respondents never visit a public library. Digital library facilities provided by educational institution. 57% of the respondents do not have facility of digital library in their educational institutions and the others do. Perception on helpfulness of digital library. 32% of the respondents has equally chosen sometimes and always with regards to the helpfulness of digital library. 30% of the respondents has chosen occasionally and 3% of the respondents has equally chosen often and never. Perception on accessing a digital library as a complex process. 50% of the respondents have the opinion that accessing a digital library may be a complex process. 42% of the respondent has an impression that accessing the digital library is not a complex process. Preferred method of accessing information. 73% of the respondents opt search engines like Google for accessing information. 16% of the respondents use digital library as a way of getting information. Factors that prevent youth from accessing digital library. 48% of the respondents prefer internet over digital library. 18% of the respondents have lack of interest in digital library. Perception of youth towards digital library. The time saving factor has the mean score of 4.08, so it is an important factor about perception on digital library among the respondents. The next highest mean score equally falls under the factor independent in finding resources and multiple access with mean score of 3.95 each. Findings and conclusion. 57% of the respondents do not use digital library facilities and only 43% of the respondents use these facilities. 53% of the respondents got awareness on digital library through their teachers and 23% via friends. 53% of the respondents were aware on the various digital library facilities that were available and 47% were not. Most of the respondents use digital library once in every month. 27% of the respondents use it daily, followed by 15% using once in a week. Majority of the respondents have a neutral perception towards easiness of finding materials from digital library. 32% of the respondents feels easy, 13% feels very easy, followed by 2% feeling difficult. Of the response, 45% of respondents that easiness of finding information through search engines like Google is very easy. 33% think that it is easy and 22% respondents perceive as neutral. It is understood from the response that majority of the responses use the public library sometimes. 38% never use the public library. 13% use it often. Majority of the respondents do not have a digital library in their respective educational institutions. Majority of the respondents equally perceive that digital library is sometimes and always helpful. 50% of the respondents thinks that accessing a digital library may be a complex process. 42% doesn't perceive it as a complex process. Majority of the respondents perceives search engines like Google for acquiring information as a major factor. Preference towards the internet prevent the youth from accessing a digital library. The majority of the as a major factor, preference towards the internet prevent the youth from accessing a digital library. The majority of the respondents have a perception that digital libraries saves time. Digital libraries has helped the respondents in finding the resources independently and helped in multiple access. Digital library also helped in improving the performance of the respondents. Conclusion. From the study, we can understand that the youth are less aware about the various digital library facilities that are available, even though the youth are having a perception that digital library saves time, improves performance and helps in finding resources independently. They prefer to use search engines like Google as information is readily available at their fingertip, and thinks accessing information from digital libraries may be a complex process. This factor prevent the youth from using digital libraries. Therefore, it is necessary to make the youth more aware on digital libraries. Thank you.